In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts to TikTok. So when you're in your TikTok profile in the Me tab in the bottom here, you'll see at the very top of the screen in the center, you've got the title of your page and there's a little drop down arrow there. If you press on this arrow here, it'll come up with an add account button for you if you've only got one account. But because I've already got 3 accounts here, it's listing all of my other accounts. You can have a maximum of 3 TikTok accounts per mobile device. So if you want to add more than 3, you would need to go on a different device or another iPad or tablet or something like that. So I can't actually show you the add account feature here, but you'll just have to click the add account button and go through the process, register an email or a mobile number, and it'll allow you to add another account in here. So once it's added in there, you can just press on any account you want and it will switch to that particular account. So then I could do duets or post on this account, and I can click again and I can just go to my 3rd account here and do another duet. So now that we know how to create more accounts on TikTok, if we go to Timebucks, you'll see now in the page setup tab, there's an add account button. And on Timebucks, you can add unlimited TikTok accounts. So you can see I've got the 3 accounts that I've added here. So all you need to do is click add account, and it's going to come up with the same page that you first created an account with, and it's going to come up and generate a 3-digit code for you, so 3888. I would select the page category that I want, and then I would put that code in my bio, enter the username of the page, and then I would click verify page setup, and then I'll be redirected back to the page setup tab, and my page will be in there with my quality score and my fans. So once I've added the page here, I can go back to the post tab, and you'll see here in the post tab there's a selected page drop down. So at the moment I've got my fitness page selected, so I could go load post, and that will load a post specific to this page and my category. And once it comes up, you see I'm going to get 3.4 cents for this post. I'm now in a session of 10 minutes. I've got 10 minutes to post this particular post. So once I've verified this post, all I can do is just go to selected page, and I can select my next page, my makeup one, and then I can click load post on this one. So once I've been credited for the first page, I can just go and load another post for my second page, post it, get verified, and then I can just go to the next page. And then once the post on this particular page is done, I can just, and then once the post on this page is done, I can just go to my 3rd page and go here, and then I can load the post, and I can do this as many times as I want for as many pages. So now you can multiply your earnings by pretty much as you want. But if you've only got one mobile device, you'll be limited to those 3 accounts. But if you've got a spare mobile device, you could use that. Or if you've got a tablet or iPad, that means you could do 6 accounts. If you can use one of your family members' mobiles as well, then you can do 9 accounts.